Just enjoying this peaceful walk here in Mississippi. Peace and blessings. Love be unto you. Just enjoying getting out the truck, stretching my legs, getting some fresh air. Just enjoying this beautiful day here. A few miles outside of Meridian, Mississippi. Just past Jackson last night. Stopped at this place called Kangaroo Crossing. Just here, getting some exercise, relaxing. I don't have to deliver until midnight of the 29th, so I actually got some family in Montgomery, Alabama, so in a few hours I'm gonna drive up there and spend some time with my family and deliver that load at midnight.